Dear students, now we are going to see electrostatic potential and potential energy. There is some confusion between electric potential energy and electric potential. Most of the students are confusion. What is electric potential energy and what is electric potential? First, what is potential energy? Imagine an object is present at particular position. Due to this position, it gets some energy called potential energy. For example, you know that when an object is in earth at particular height, see this is ground, it is at some height h. Okay, the body gets some energy called gravitational potential energy. You might have studied in previous 11th standard. So gravitational potential energy equal to mgh. Okay, the same concept in electric field. One charge in one position gets energy is called electric potential energy. The electric potential energy for 1 coulomb of charge called electric potential. What is electric potential? Electric potential energy for 1 coulomb of charge. Electric potential energy for 1 coulomb of charge called electric potential. See here, consider a test charge q dash in R, the position R, brought to the point P. There is some work is done here. What is that? The test charge q dash in the point R brought to the point P. There is some work is done. So we can write simply UP equal to W plus UR. So that means what is UP? Charge, that is potential in the point P. UR is potential at the point R. So W is work done here. So in order to calculate work done, W equal to UP minus UR. Got it? Here the external force must be equal to opposite to Coulomb force. The external force acting here must be equal and opposite to Coulomb force. So it should be written as F external equal to minus of F Coulomb. Okay, so we can write using work done formula. Using work done formula, work done W equal to integral the position R to P F vector external dot the position vector dr vector. Since the potential energy is defined as the work done to bring a test charge, this test charge q dash from R to P, therefore work done can be written as W equal to delta U equal to UP minus UR. So similarly, delta U is equal to integral R to P F external dot dr vector. We already know F external equal to minus of F Coulomb vector, Coulomb force, that is equal to minus of Q dash E vector. This is one very important relation. So I am going to substitute delta U is equal to integral R to P minus of Q dash E vector dot dr vector. So I am substituting the value here, that is equal to taking Q dash in outside, therefore integral R to P minus E vector dot dr vector, E vector dot dr vector. Okay. Got it? Therefore, the potential energy per unit charge, the potential energy per unit charge is given by delta U divided by Q dash equal to, I am going to substitute delta U value, Q dash integral R to P minus E vector dot dr vector divided by this Q dash, that is equal to minus of integral R to P E vector dot dr vector. Okay. Therefore, electric potential energy delta U by Q dash is equal to, these two values cancel, therefore minus of integral R to P E vector dot dr vector. Okay. It is denoted by Vp minus Vr equal to delta V. So I am using this equation. So Vp minus Vr equal to delta V equal to integral R to P minus E vector dot dr vector. If R is taken infinity, if R is equal to infinity and its potential is considered as 0, if R is infinity, potential is considered as 0, that is V infinity equal to 0. The electric potential energy is mathematically written as, how we can written mathematically, Vp is equal to minus integral R to P E vector dot dr vector. Thank you, students.